Hello everyone, I am Kakuli Banerjee. Welcome back to my channel, The Art Society. So today again we will continue the chapter Water Resource. In the last video we have discussed about the importance of water, different facts and figure of water, and also the causes of water scarcity. Today we are going to discuss about the topic need for water conservation and management. Hope you remember that what are the different causes of water scarcity. That means lack of water. Mainly two causes we have discussed, qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative means where the quality of the water is decreasing. That means day by day the water is getting polluted. And quantitative means due to different facts the amount of pure fresh water is decreasing. So now let us know why should we conserve the water. First, to safeguard ourselves from different health hazards, because we know that water is our life. So if the water get polluted, so our life will not as simple as we are living now. Globally, 785 million people lack access to safe water, that means pure water. Nearly 1 million people die each year from water, sanitation and hygiene related diseases, which could be reduced with access to safe water and sanitation. Just you follow the image. Do you think that the girl and her family will be safe by drinking this kind of polluted or dirty food water? I don't think so. Next, lack of access to safe water also can affect the physical well-being of women and children. And many water-prone diseases also can hamper human life, like diarrhea, typhoid, etc. Here you see that diarrhea is one of the top 3 leading causes of child, and this is often triggered from consuming unclean water. So due to the impure water, these kind of diseases can be occur within human body, and these kind of diseases also are a threat to our life. Next, to ensure food security. So in the last video we came to know that our production of food directly related to the water. So if there is water scarcity, that means the food production also can get hampered. Water scarcity can increase hunger due to food yield changes will lead to malnutrition. Students, just listen this carefully. What we have discussed in the last video, that due to the high population, there is high demand for food production, and the food production lead to more consumption of water, and which leads to water scarcity. So this is one chain: high population, then food production, usage of water, water scarcity. Now if we reverse the chain, that means first water scarcity, that means less amount of water to use, that means less production of food, and which can create a huge hunger within our huge population. So this kind of problem can occur for water scarcity, and because of that we need to conserve and manage our fresh water. Otherwise the full population, flora and fauna, everything will be in great danger, because water is our life, and without water it is not possible to survive in the earth. Next, to To stop degradation of environment, water scarcity can also lead various environmental problems, just like drought. Because due to lack of water, there will be more situation of drought. After that, land degradation. That means as the soil or the land, there is less water, so they will become infertile day by day, and we can face the problem of land degradation. After that, desertification. Obviously, due to lack of water in the atmosphere and in the earth's surface, the desert will start to increase, and it can be that one day the desert can capture the whole earth if the water level decrease in such way. Next, it also is a danger to the lives of flora and fauna, because I said that water is our life, and can hamper or disturbance in hydrological cycle, because due to lack of water, the water cycle or hydrological cycle that can be hampered, and if this cycle get hampered, so the formation of new fresh water also can hamper, and which will afterwards reduce the water level or the amount of fresh water in the earth's surface. Follow the line. Water scarcity will degrade our natural resources and can create ecological crisis. So this is a great danger for us. Next, and affecting our lives negatively. All this problem which I have discussed now will directly affect our life negatively, because first one, displacement. Obviously, to search of water, people will move here and there. Next, there will be social disorder due to conflict over water and land. Just to get few drop of water, there can be fight and social disorder within the society, and which can also increase or spread infectious diseases. You just see in the images that people, how much they're fighting just to get few drops of water. So because of this reason, to avoid our lives, our environment from this kind of situation, we need to conserve or save our water. Now I am adding one video from the YouTube channel CBSC, which will help you out to understand more nicely about the water scarcity and its consequences, and I am very much thankful to the channel for helping me out to make this video.
Water scarcity. Water shortage is an absolute shortage where level of availability of water does not meet certain defined minimum requirements. Causes of water scarcity. The following are the causes of water scarcity: overpopulation, over-irrigation for agriculture, climatic change and variability, indiscriminate cutting of forests, destruction of natural water reservoirs, disputes between the states for sharing water, poor water resource management, and misuse of water. Effect of water scarcity on the life of the people. Long walks to fetch water. Have to pay high price for buying water. Uncertainty over availability of water for agriculture. Area will remain backward and neglected. Low scope for generating employment. More incidence of diseases due to poor sanitary conditions. Poverty alleviation program will suffer. Increased incidence of crime. Life will be hard and miserable. Fall in the productivity of animals.
So this is our today's summary, where we get to know that you may have already realized that the need of the hour is to conserve and manage our water resource, just to safeguard ourselves from health hazard, to ensure food security, continuation of our livelihoods and productive activities, and also to prevent degradation of our natural ecosystem. Because overpopulation and mismanagement of water resource will impoverish this resource and cause ecological crisis that may have profound impact directly to our lives. So today's questions which you have to solve. First of all, write your opinion about human behavior towards water scarcity. What do you mean by qualitative and quantitative water scarcity? Is it possible to solve the problem water scarcity? Explain. What measures will you take to solve the problem of water scarcity in your local area? This is activity based question. And how does water scarcity affect our health?